Alright guys, I'm just looking at QCOM here. I'm very tempted to actually take a short on this. We could still go some more. The reason I'm saying I'm looking to take a short on this, take a look at the 60-minute chart. You know, we're getting sorry, not the 60-minute, the 15. Sorry guys. The 15-minute chart, we're getting a little ahead of ourselves. If we take a look at the 60, it's right up into this area here. Probably hit 30, 35, 50s, give or take, and then I'll maybe look to start taking a short. But we'll see how the play pans out. Pick up a couple here at 32s. Alright, so I've got my fills at 32s, guys. Now, as with plays like this, because we're actually trending very nicely now, this is a pure counter trend play. It's just what I'm looking for is a quick 20 or 30 cents, nothing more, nothing less. You know, I'm basically going to try and catch a pullback on the 5-minute chart. You know, it's just a quick, very quick counter trend scalp. That's all. Nothing, you know, nothing major. You know, I like to do this a lot. You know, I'll be like I said in the first video that you guys will probably see. I like to do this on a regular basis. You know, and it's timing as well on these trades is like absolutely essential. You know, let it get overextended. You know, don't worry too much about what the Qs are doing and what everything else is doing. You know, the fact is, you know, we're up 7 bars. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars on the day. We're 6 bars up on the 15. You know, the likelihood of getting some form of small relief from there is very likely. So, you know, and like I said, the pullback that I'm looking for, this 5-minute pullback, I may even just actually leave the position open. It depends what I want to do, but you know, probably 15 would be a good place to take this off, but we'll see what we get. QCOM is very strong today, very strong, but it has to pull back. Every stock pulls back. You know, you can't just continue like this for the rest of the day. And like I said, I know the stock very well. You know, I'm going to be doing this all day, guys. You know, once you understand and you know the stock well, it becomes a joke, in all fairness. But there are times as well, obviously, you get yourself into a lot of trouble taking plays like this because you don't understand what's actually going off. And it's also important as well to take targets when you get them. You know, I believe we go a little lower. We've got a beautiful topping tail on the 15. Now I'm going to take one off here at 14. Take one off here at 14 and let's see what we get. We could even possibly get a pullback all the way down. And do you know something else as well, guys? I want to illustrate a really important point. You know, I picked up a couple of lots of 100 shares, right? No biggie. Yeah, it's nothing spectacular. But my point is, you know, with just a small amount of shares, I didn't even go heavy today. You know, normally I'm building 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, anything up to 1,000, maybe up to 2,000 share positions on QCOM. You know, whereas today, you know, I think the most I went up to is maybe 300 shares at one point. It's a joke. I mean, look, 300 shares, I'm up $119 on the day. You know, piecemealing the day together, it's beautiful, man. You know, there is no other job like this, guys. I'm telling you, you know, we all know this anyway. It's a fantastic job. It's a fantastic business. You know, and you know, who's going to scoff at $119 for what, half an hour? You know, let's just say an hour's work. You know, it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. You know, and I would gladly do everything that I've done again over the last 11 years, all the shit that I've been through, everything that I've had to deal with. I would gladly do it again and again and again and again and again. I'm going to go ahead and pick up a couple of lots here at 11, guys. Average cost of 21. So I'll pick up one extra lot here just to give it that added little, oomph when it goes down. But what I also will do, as we may get that small amount of relief, what I'll do for now is I'll go ahead and put in a market order now quickly, to stop at break even, and then we'll just let this one ride out. I do this a lot sometimes, guys, which is a pretty stupid thing to say. I do this a lot sometimes, but my point is, we've got a topping tail now on the 15-minute chart. So basically locking it in at 21. I've already taken $10, no biggie, but locking it in at 21, and getting this hooking 8 on the 1 minute, the hooking 8 on the 2 minute, and if you take a look at the 5 minute, this happens so often, it's just incredible. A bullish 180 after a small little surge, away from the 8, you get a bearish 180, sorry, and then generally you get like, not always, but generally you get a nice little pop down, but you have to be a fair weight. You take a look at the 15-minute chart, guys. Look at the topping tail of the 15-minute chart. Still very bullish, absolutely, but possibly get 35s. I could even say, I'd even go as far as to say 34.87s or 34.85s. The move could happen. I could get stopped out, and the move could happen, but so be it. I'll just take the fallback as it happens. So I'll let the video run anyway and see what we get. I think this is going to be a very quick play. We may even get stopped out here. In fact, we will get stopped out here. Very likely we'll probably get stopped. Yeah, we're going to get it, definitely. We'll get stopped. But I'll leave it, I'll leave it, guys, and see what we get. It should be interesting to see. Yeah, we're done. We're done. $120 so far. Altogether probably about, I don't know, 25 minutes of trading. I'd say, give or take. Still extended, still very extended on the 15-minute chart. There's no shame in taking a stop, guys. Very important. They're there for a reason. You have to take them. This is the way that I work as well. I'm a very, very, very fast, aggressive trader. And like I said, generally what I normally do is, I will take these types of plays with 200, 300, 400 shares. Yesterday, I had a bit of a stupid moment on QCOM. I wasn't really functioning properly. I wasn't thinking properly. I made a bad call, bad error of judgment. Nothing to do with my technical analysis or trading as such. It was purely an emotional response, and as such, traded very poorly yesterday morning. I was down $277. I managed to I got that back on QCOM at the end of the day, a late day breakout. I made that 277 back plus another 220 to finish the day. $222 up, guys. Which I'm not saying this to impress. I'm saying this to illustrate a very, very important point, and that is, when you're emotionally stressed and things are just crazy, just back off, walk away from the computer. There's no shame in walking away. You're having a bad day. You're having a bad day. For me, I actually recognised it when it happened, and I walked away. Cleared my head, came back, and got stuck, got stuck back in again. But like I said, it's really important that you understand yourself, because that's what this is all about. This is a game, guys. This is a game of knowing yourself. This is a game of understanding what you're all about. And if you can do that, then, I tell you, if you are well underway. Well underway. Alright guys, so anyway, 10 minutes into the video, just a small play there, nothing spectacular. And I'll every one I do today, guys, I'll just I'll record and post. See if we can get a $300 or $400 play. Should be interesting. If I can capture it anyway, if I can capture it on video, would be very, very nice, just to illustrate, some good points. But we'll see. Anyway, guys, I'll speak to you guys soon.